As the summer heat intensifies, many Filipinos are turning to palamig to cool down. But a new study has raised concerns after antimicrobial resistant bacteria were detected in some streets drinks in Tondo, Manila. Mobile Journal Daniel Dayao reports.
As summer heat continues to intensify, many Filipinos are turning to palamig, saying it's cheaper, accessible, and instantly refreshing after a long hot day.
Una mong hahanapin is yung palamig kasi sobrang init ng panahon, especially here sa Manila.
Super need siya since yung refreshing drinks na to, it actually gives us the coldness na we need.
But as demand for street drinks arise, experts now urge the public to be more vigilant after antimicrobial resistant bacteria was detected in some cold drinks in Tondo, Manila.
Nagkaroon kami ng pagsasaliksik. Tiningnan namin lahat ng aspeto doon sa tindahan. So, syempre titingnan natin yung baso, yelo, tubig, yung mismong palamig, saka yung tao, yung vendor. Based doon sa standard na ginagamit natin, no, pagdating sa mga inumin at pagkain, natagpuan natin na lampas-lampas sila doon sa itinakdang pamantayan.
According to UP Manila study, the presence of these bacteria is alarming as they can resist the effects of commonly used antibiotics. Experts point to possible cross-contamination as the root cause, where bacteria spreads through money handling, poor preparation practices, and inadequate sanitation. But consumers may contribute too.
Hindi lang nanggagaling sa mga tindero-tindera, pati rin sa mga bumibili. Yan, nagsasalita, umuubo, posibleng may sakit ang mga namimili at umubo sila. Pwede rin talagang kumalat yan at makakontaminate doon sa ating mga pagkain.
For early prevention, specialists stress the importance of proper hygiene, especially regular hand washing.
Napaka-importante ng hand washing. Makapaghugas sila in between sa proseso ng kanilang mga gawa at pagkatatanggap sila ng pera. Training ng mga nagtitinda. Tapos yung environmental sanitation, panatilihin po nating malinis ang ating kapaligiran, okay? At yung public awareness, yung ligtas ang lahat sa komunidad. Magandang practice po yon na para maiwasan po natin ang pag-transfer.
Because beyond the single cup of palamig, a growing global threat arises.
Darating po yung panahon, 2050, no, galing sa World Health Organization, maaaring ito pong AMR ay magdulot ng hanggang 10 milyong pagkamatay. Maliwanag po na dapat maagapan natin na sa pagtutulungan ng bawat sektor ng lipunan ay magkaroon po tayo ng magandang at safe na pagkain. Yan po ang realidad na dapat nating harapin. Huwag po tayong matakot. Maging aware lang po tayo.
A reminder that awareness, cleanliness, and responsibility are key to keep Filipinos safe this summer. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao, we are One News.